Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your WebinarFuel to your email list? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your WebinarFuel to your email list anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that sometimes people are going to drop off before they see your webinar, so you can continue to market to them through your email list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your WebinarFuel to your email list, it's going to be a two-step process. First, you have to integrate your email provider. So maybe it's MailChimp, maybe it's Aweber. Once you've integrated, then you're going to go to your webinar and connect your email provider to your webinar. So check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there. But first off, what you're going to do is click on settings here on the top right. Looks like a gear icon in purple. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here at the top, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the email list provider. So you can see I've already connected my MailChimp. So just scroll through until you see the email provider for you. So for example, get response, and just click on connect and then follow the instructions to connect your email list provider. So you're going to need to log in and then give permission to your WebinarFuel. Once you've done that, it should appear like this. So integration. So once you've integrated your email provider, you're going to go up here to the top and click on webinars. Once you do that, you'll see a list of webinars that you're running here on the left. So go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to connect your email list to. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you'll see this gray menu right here, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, once you click on integrations, go ahead and choose your email list provider. For me, I use MailChimp, so I'll click here. Okay, so now we're going to set up the rules on when my webinar registrants are going to be added into my email list. So click here on add new event. Okay, up here at the top, you can see if, then action. So we're going to choose an event. Okay, so for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose if somebody attended a webinar, and then I'm going to go ahead and add them to a list. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose my list. So I only have one list here in Mail. All right, next we're going to click on save. Okay, you should see this. Events were successfully updated. So now anytime somebody attends my webinar, they're going to be added to my list inside of MailChimp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your WebinarFuel with your email list, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.